Obviously, we are getting close to the top of this mountain. We're about 1.5 miles in. Got a very steep uphill, the steepest that we've seen since we started. And it's exceptionally windy here, not helped by the fact that there's a hurricane off the coast. So there's 2 leaves that I found on the Appalachian Trail which really call out to me. And I think this one perhaps is the one that speaks to me because it's young and vibrant, it's small, it's got blemishes on it, it's imperfect. But you have to figure that the tree that this fell off of, this leaf was providing nutrient for it. So it was providing good for the greater good. And I sort of like that analogy. This is a really beautiful leaf. I wish I could take it home, but it would turn all brown. This is the leaf that speaks to me. It almost reaches out to hug you, as you can see here. So it'll be interesting to see what leaf everyone else picks and why they pick it, if they play this game like I do.
See this leaf? It's about as purple as my face feels right now. Because we've just come up the worst section of this trail that we've almost ever been on. The only thing making it a tiny bit better is we don't have full packs and it's not raining. But I do feel like I should be this purple right now. We just went around the backside of this mountain instead of over the top, and as soon as we came around the backside, the wind.
These are my leaves, and I have a big collection because my memory is living in, they're falling, living in Birmingham, Michigan when I was a kid, and we had huge trees, and we would rake all the leaves and then we would jump in them, and it was so much fun. Fall has always been my favorite time of year. I always collect leaves, and the green one, because you know what, there's always some green ones.
So hold the leaves up, let me see them.
Okay, so I just love all the leaves. Red are my favorite. No question. But then you got to have a little splash of the yellow. And look at how big this one is. And more, the maple always fall first. I don't know what this one is, but it's huge and it didn't turn yet. And another red. And then we also would do that in at Eagle Lake, Michigan. It was so awesome. And I've got my acorns. Just wonderful memories of.
So what's your
fall.
favorite leaf?
I would probably say the red one.
Let's see it. And why is that your favorite?
I like the red.
Okay, hold it up by your face and tell me why you like it.
Because it's really pretty. I like the red. Just reminds me of fall.
Yay!